If you want to renew your membership and you were already a member, go into the members page, become a member. Then here, already a member, log in. Once you've logged in here, log in again, username, password, and then you'll have access to which kind of member you were or you want to be. Individual membership, corporate membership for companies or airports, and corporate membership for 3 years. And you're done. That will send you to the PayPal page to pay via PayPal with credit card or with your PayPal account, or you can always use those forms and send them by mail or email.